Hello students, this is the continuation of multiple and submultiple angles. Today we solve more problems related to multiple and submultiple angle formula. You get 5 to 10 marks from this topic. So this topic is very important. You by heart all the formulae. Okay. Here is the first problem. Prove that sin 2a divided by 1 plus cos 2a is equal to tan a and hence deduce the value of tan 15 degree. That is, using the formula tan a is equal to sin 2a by 1 plus cos 2a, evaluate the value of tan 15 degree. First, show that the left hand side is equal to right hand side. Here the left hand side is sin 2a by 1 plus cos 2a. We know the multiple angle formula for sin 2a. Sin 2a is same as 2 sin a cos a and cos 2a is same as 2 cos squared a minus 1. Therefore, substitute the values of sin 2a and cos 2a in the left hand side. Left hand side is equal to sin 2a is replace sin 2a by 2 sin a cos a. Replace sin 2a by 2 sin a cos a, then divided by 1 plus replace cos 2a by 2 cos squared a minus 1. Here 1, here minus 1 got cancelled. Numerator numerator 2 sin a cos a, denominator 2 cos squared a. 2 got cancelled. Here in the numerator there is a cos a and the denominator there is a cos squared a. Cancel 1 cos a. Numerator sin a divided by cos a. Sin a by cos a is tan a. Is equal to right hand side. So here left hand side is equal to right hand side. Then next find the value of tan 15 degree. Replace a by 15 degree, we get tan 15. We just proved that tan a is equal to sin 2a by 1 plus cos 2a. We want to find tan 15 degree. Therefore, replace a by 15 degree. Here a is 15, here 2a. 2a is choice of 15 is 30 degree. 1 plus cos 30. 2a is 15, then 2a is 30. Sin 30 1 by 2. Cos 1 plus cos 30 root 3 by 2. 1 by 2 divided by cross multiplication. 2 plus here cross multiplication root 3. By 2. So 1 by 2 plus root 3 is the answer. No further simplification required. We can simplify it further by multiplying the conjugate of multiplying the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. That is to multiply numerator by 2 minus root 3 and the denominator by 2 minus 3. That portion not needed or not required. Second problem. Prove that cos 3a plus cos a divided by sin 3a minus sin a is equal to cot a. Here we have to prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, start from the left hand side. Left hand side cos 3a plus cos a by sin 3a minus sin a. We know the formula for cos 3a. We know that cos 3a is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. We know the formula for sin 3a. We know that sin 3a is 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Therefore, substitute the values of cos 3a and sin 3a. Cos 3a is same as cos 3a is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a, and sin 3a is 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Here minus 3 cos a, here plus cos a. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Therefore minus 2 cos a. Divided by, here 3 sin a, here sin a. Sin 3a is 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a minus sin a. 3 sin a minus sin a. 3 sin a minus sin a is 2 sin a. Minus 4 sin cube a. Here 2 common. In the numerator 2 common and cos a common. Take 2 cos a outside. Bracket. Here 2. Here cos squared minus 1. Here take 2 sin a outside. 2 sin a is a common factor. 2 sin a bracket. Here 1 minus 2 sin squared a. 2 got cancelled. Cos a by sin a is cot a. 2 cos squared a minus 1 is cos 2a. Divided by 1 minus 2 sin squared is again cos 2a. Cos 2a got cancelled. We get the answer cot a, which is the right hand side. Next problem. Prove that cot a minus tan a divided by cot a plus tan a is equal to cos 2a. There are different ways of solving this problem. One can replace cot a by cos a by sin a and tan a by sin a by cos a. Then simplify. We get cos 2a as the answer. Another way is left hand side is equal to tan a into cot a minus tan a divided by tan a into cot a plus tan a. That is, multiply the numerator and denominator by tan a. Therefore, no change in value. Then multiply by tan a. Tan a into cot a. Tan a is the reciprocal of cot a, or cot a is the reciprocal of tan a. Therefore, tan a cot a is 1. Tan a into cot a 1 minus tan a into tan a is tan squared a. Tan a into cot a 1 plus tan a into tan a tan squared a. We know that 1 minus tan squared a by 1 plus tan squared a is same as cos 2a is equal to cos 2a. This is the right hand side. Next problem. Prove that cot a minus tan a is equal to 2 cot 2a. In the left hand side, replace cot a by cos a by sin a and tan a by sin a by cos a. Cot a is same as cos a by sin a. tan A is same as sin A by cos A. Then simplify this fraction, cross multiplication, cos A into cos A is cos square A. Minus sin A into sin A, sin square A. Divided by denominator sin A into cos A is equal to cos squared A minus sin squared A is cos 2A divided by sin A cos A. Multiply numerator and denominator by 2. So 2 into cos 2A divided by 2 into sin A cos A. 2 sin A cos A is sin 2A. So 2 cos 2A divided by 2 sin A cos A is sin 2A. Cos by sin is cot. 2 cot 2A. This is the right hand side. Next problem, if tan theta is equal to 1 and theta is in the third quadrant, we know that in the third quadrant tan theta is positive, or tan theta is plus 1 is true. Find sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta and tan 2 theta. The given value is tan theta is equal to 1. Therefore express sin 2 theta in terms of tan. We know that sin 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan squared theta. Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan squared theta is equal to 2 into 1 tan theta 1 divided by 1 plus 1 square. 2 by 1 plus 1 2. 2 by 2 1. Sin 2 theta is equal to 1. Next cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan squared theta by 1 plus tan squared theta. 1 minus 1 by 1 plus 1, 0. Cos 2 theta, 0. Then tan 2 theta. 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan squared theta. 2 into 1 by 1 minus 1. 2 by 0 is equal to infinity. Another problem. Tan A is given. Tan A is equal to 3 by 4 where A is an acute angle. And sin B is given. Sin B is equal to 5 by 13 where B is in the second quadrant. Find sin 2A and sin 2B. We know that the formula for sin 2A is 2 sin A cos A. Sin A is not given, cos A is also not given. Therefore, you have to find sin A and cos A from tan A. Tan A is given. Using tan A, you find sin A and cos A. You draw a right triangle. Draw a right triangle and mark this angle as A, capital A. Given tan A is 3 by 4. That means opposite side divided by adjacent side. Therefore 3 is the opposite side and 4 is the adjacent side. Therefore hypotenuse is unknown. Opposite and adjacent known quantity and hypotenuse unknown quantity. Using Pythagoras theorem, we can find the hypotenuse. How you find the hypotenuse? The Pythagoras theorem states that base square is 4. 4 square plus altitude square. Altitude is 3. 3 squared is equal to hypotenuse square. This is question mark. Hypotenuse square. Question mark square. 4 squared 16 plus 3 squared 9 is equal to hypotenuse square. 25 is equal to hypotenuse square. Therefore, hypotenuse is equal to 5. This is 5. Therefore, sin A is equal to 3 by 5. Opposite by hypotenuse. Cos A is equal to 4 by 5. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Therefore, sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A cos A. Is equal to 2 into 3 by 5 into 4 by 5 is equal to 24 by 25. Next, sin B is given. Sin B is 5 by 13, means opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite side of 5, hypotenuse 13. Draw a right triangle. This angle is 90 degree and this angle is B, capital B. Opposite side is 5. Hypotenuse 13. We don't know the adjacent side. That is base square plus altitude square is equal to hypotenuse square. Base square plus altitude square is equal to hypotenuse square. Base square is equal to 144 minus 5 square is 25. Transform this 5 square to right side. Sorry, 13 square. Not 12 square. This is 13 square. This is 169. This is 144. Therefore, adjacent side is 12. This is 12. Therefore, cos B is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. But the quadrant is second. In the second quadrant, the cos is negative. Therefore, minus 12 by 13. Then sin 2B is equal to 2 sin B cos B is equal to 2 into sin B is given 5 by 13 and cos B they just find it minus 12 by 13 is equal to minus 120 by 169. Just the answer. Next problem, prove that sin theta minus cos theta the whole squared is equal to 1 minus sin 2 theta. Left hand side is in the form a minus b the whole squared. We know that a minus b the whole squared is a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. So left hand side, this is a squared sin squared theta plus this is b squared cos squared theta minus 2ab, 2 into sin theta into cos theta. Sin squared theta plus cos squared theta is 1. Minus 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. I just stop this topic here. Multiple and submultiple angles and continue with another topic in the next class.